All right, patient knocked tooth out, even with bonded retainer. Step 1, numb.
Oh, and you actually tell them to numb both sides. Oh my.
I did.
This is gonna be cold, okay?
We're gonna numb the palate right behind.
We did the buccal, we're gonna do the lingual as well. This one's got a little more kick to it though. One drop, okay? Go ahead and take out. Get out. Sorry.
Okay, rinsing the tooth with some saline or HBSS if you have that at home.
Okay. Grabbing the tooth by the crown. And inserting.
Reimplant.
And it usually feels a click. Back into place. That's it right there. Okay, good. You want to suction around there for me? Good. Does that look nice? Can you see that?
Okay, we're just doing a temporary little splint where we're etching. And then we're going to put a little bit of composite.
In between, just hold
between
before
teeth.
splint. Go ahead.
And hold it before we splint it because this particular tooth had a short root. So it's not super stable in the socket.
Cool. You got bond?
Yeah, it's just fun.
It's a little bloody, but.
That's what I took out of here.
Yeah, cure this, yeah. Good. Good. Go ahead. Good. Make sure that's right. Does that look good?
Mm-hmm. Yep, they're perfectly. You can start curing. Just a
Okay,
little.
so then we just do a little splint on there to hold it in place after we've stabilized it with the bonding in between the teeth. Go ahead and cure. And the patient will wear this for 6 weeks. Do
Oh, it's 6
Advil for
weeks? Okay.
Advil for 2-3 days, and do not bite on anything hard. Basically, cut out the food.